Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The last session saw the Bitcoin fall 0.3% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The US government is considering allowing Nvidia to export advanced chips to Saudi Arabia, potentially helping the country train and run the most powerful AI models, Semaphore reported. US crude oil climbed more than $2 a barrel, driven by fears of lengthy production shutdowns in the offshore oil patch, which Hurricane Francine was barreling through. The meme coin market witnessed explosive growth in 2024, but its biggest players, including Dogecoin and Dogwifhat, are struggling to hold value anywhere near their yearly highs. Data revealed just how tough the market is for the incumbent pack of meme coins, which are down an average of 63%.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US monthly budget statement will be released at 18 GMT. Germany's wholesale price index at 6 GMT. The US Producer Price Index at 12:30 GMT. The US initial jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. Spain's Harmonized Index of Consumer Prices at 7 GMT, Spain's Consumer Price Index at 7 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.